Many students learn coding, watch many tutorial videos, okay, and complete the online course. But when they are applying for job, they don't get call or they get rejected. So the problem is usually not your skill, but not what how you use and show you those skills. Okay, so let's understand the main reason behind it. Okay, so first problem is what you learn what didn't build the project. Many students only watch the tutorial and finish the course, but company want to see real project, not just certificate. For example, a to a to do list app, okay, and weather app using API, a single blog website, okay, and you also create chatbot by using generative AI, okay. You can also use multi agents, okay. You can also create a recommendation tool to so these kind of project in your resume, okay. So projects so companies that you are actually build things, okay. So and second problem is too many tutorial watching. Many students keep watching tutorial again and again. This is called the tutorial hell, okay. The problem is you understand the tutorial, but you can't build the same project alone. The better way is watch the tutorial once, close the video and try to build the project yourself. This build the real understanding, okay. Problem number 3 is big problem solving. Company often test logic and thinking ability. They ask coding problem in interview like array, string, DSA algorithm, okay. So if you only learn framework like React or Django but don't practice problem, okay, then it will then interview should be difficult, okay. Interview become difficult. So practice coding regularly, practice coding problem regularly. And fourth problem is bad resume. Sometimes students have skills but their resume is weak, okay. Common mistake is resume is too long, too many skill listed, no project mentioned, no GitHub link is there in your CV. So good resume should be what? Good resume should be include 2 to 3 project, 2 to 3 strong project. Also mention GitHub profile in your CV and write proper or clear skills, okay. And fifth problem is not practicing daily. So coding once in a while is not enough. You need to consistent practicing, okay. Even 1 2 hour daily can improve your skill a lot if you do it regularly, okay. And not applying to enough jobs. Some students apply to only 10 to 20 companies, okay, but getting the first job often needs 100 plus applications. Rejections are normals. Don't stop applying, okay. And fourth problem is no network. So many jobs come from referral. Students ignore LinkedIn, developers communities and hackathons. So talking to other developer can help you to find the opportunity. Okay, eighth problem is trying to learn everything. Some students try to learn too much things like Python, Java, React, AI, DevOps. This create confusion. Okay, and instead of this, choose one path and focus on it. For example, you need to pick one thing like front end. In front end, if you are choose front end, what you need to learn? You need to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React, okay. If you want to become backend developer, you need to choose Python, Node.js, API and backend also. If you want to go in data side, so you need to learn Python, SQL and data analysis thing, okay. So final truth is getting a job is not about how many courses you finished. It depend on real project, real problem solving and consistent practicing. Good resume, you should have good resume, and need to apply to many jobs. So if you work on these things, you your chances of getting a job will be increased, okay. So guys, if you want, I can also help you to create a powerful LinkedIn post on this topic, okay. Or I also can create a YouTube script for this topic, and I also create a viral Instagram, Twitter thread version also. So just tell me. Okay, so if you like my video, please do subscribe. Bye bye, take care.